Yeah. All right, so you know that microwavable mac and cheese that has that like powdered cheese pouch? Yeah. No. Just no. I mean, just do yourself a favor and your body and your taste buds and try this easy, real microwavable mac and cheese. Welcome to my kitchen. Now trust me when I say it's easy, because I mean the hardest part that you have to do is pre-cook your pasta. That's not hard at all. And I mean, all you have to do is put it together in a mason jar and it's pretty much ready whenever you are. So let's put it together. All right, so you add 1/4 cup of heavy cream or half and half in a mason jar. And at this point you can add any seasonings or spices you want. Like I'm adding some cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, and of course, S&P, salt and pepper. Then add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of shredded cheese. And you can use any kind of cheese that you like for your mac and cheese. And then you just fill the rest of the jar with pasta. And you're done. Now when you're ready to eat, you can just microwave it on high for like 2 minutes or until the cheese is like super melty, and then mix. And then you have cheesy deliciousness in a jar. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you would definitely try this easy, real microwavable mac and cheese. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.